another video. So this is my first time trying 613 blonde, and oh, I was so nervous to try blonde. Like, I didn't know how it was gonna look on me and how it was gonna fit my skin tone. So I purchased this wig from WOWANGEL. I'll put it down below in the description box, but I just want to get on here and show this. I had my sister cut the wig into a bob, because it was 20 inches and I called myself trying to cut it myself, but I ended up butchering it and it was uneven. So my sister, she came in and cut it for me. You know, thank God I have a sister who went to cosmetology school. So I just want to see how it looks. And yeah, this was one of my like dream hair to have, like a blonde bob. I did tone this wig, so you guys are gonna see that in the video. So yeah, and yep, this is the hair. It is soft. It is 180 density, a 13x6, and the wig structure itself, it is big head friendly, but the way they constructed the wig, they had sewed like 2 tracks together and sewed it to the back of the head. It was kind of hard to melt the wig in the back, but you know, we got that done, so that's all that matters. You know, I just wanted to get on here and show the world and show my hair. And yes, us black women, we can definitely do blonde. We can definitely pull off blonde. You know, I was afraid to, but you know, I'm really happy that I did. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. And I hope you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. And thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Okay, so it didn't take long for me to tone it. Actually, as soon as I put the blonde in there, it immediately started to tone. And look at the ends. Like, the ends are silver. I'm gonna have to cut that off. But I love how it looks up at the top. Like, it's already blending in with my skin tone. Yeah.